This demonstration will cover Litera Create's workflow for anonymizing a document for reuse. Litera Create allows you to store and retrieve documents or portions of documents for reuse, leveraging content and entire documents as precedents that can later be anonymized with the Litera Create solution. Litera Create's content scope provides the ability to access your own content and organization-approved language for documents in a content library containing multiple document repositories. These repositories allow you to draft and edit documents efficiently and to integrate with document management, content management, and company data systems. The Anonymize Content feature lets you easily create template-like documents containing generic placeholders for specific information taken from source documents. Following the workflow, open the document you want to use. Select a portion of the document or its entire contents and click the Litera tab. Click the Save button and complete the relevant fields in the Save New Content, Save New Document dialog. Select the Anonymize checkbox if unchecked and click OK. A window will display the real-time Anonymize processing progress. When the processing is complete, the Anonymize Content dialog displays. This dialog displays all potential instances of specific information that can be anonymized. The items, by default, are sorted in the order they appear in the document. Select any column header to sort the list by that type. To reset a list that was sorted using a column header, right-click anywhere in the header row and select Clear Sorting. Using this dialog, you can review and prepare to convert the instances into generic placeholders. All instances are selected by default. Enter text in the search field to find matches in the text column. If you do not want to process selected instances, clear the associated checkbox. Select Filter Categories to filter the displayed items by category. Choose the placeholder type to be applied to the selected instances from the Anonymize Action drop-down menu. When applying variable text, if you do not wish to replace all specific instances with the same replacement text, use the arrows to review each instance and select Skip Instance to ignore an instance. The original text is retained. When you have reviewed the instances you want to anonymize, click OK. If all selected instances are successfully anonymized, a message displays that the automation of the content has been completed, and the task pane opens with the newly created content displayed. If any of the selected instances are not successfully anonymized, the Anonymize Content dialog displays a list of the items that were not processed. Click Close to exit the dialog. If all selected instances are successfully anonymized, a message displays that the automation of the content has been completed, and the task pane opens with the newly created content displayed. If any of the selected instances are not successfully anonymized, the Anonymize Content dialog displays a list of the items that were not processed. Click OK to exit the dialog. The anonymized document is now ready to edit or insert into another document.